Hi everyone, this is Josie from firstthecoffee.com. In this stitch tutorial we're going to go over how to do the extended single crochet stitch. This is not a fairly common stitch that you're going to find in many patterns, but I have actually used it in a couple of my patterns. It is about the same height as a half double crochet. What really makes this stitch stand out is the unique texture that it makes. With the rows going back to back, as you can see, it's almost like it has a little circle in between the straight rows. And it does appear the same on both sides. To start making your extended single crochet, you're going to need to make a foundation row. So you'll start with your slip knot. And you can start out with any number of chains. Just add 1 onto your stitch count. So I'm going to make 11 in this chain. That'll give me a stitch count of 10. All right, for your first stitch, you're going to want to go into the second chain from your hook. So this is the first and this is the second. So you'll just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Now you want to yarn over again, and you'll just want to pull through this first loop. And then that'll still leave 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over one more time and pull through both loops. So then you want to do the same in the next chain. Just insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops. And then just continue that through each loop on your chain here. Okay, so once you've completed your first row, to start a second row, you'll want to chain 1. So just yarn over and pull through your loop, turn your work around, and then you're going to want to go into this first stitch. This isn't going to count as a stitch, so just insert your hook. If you look from the top, you'll see the V's. Just go under that first one, so your hook's under both of those strands on the V. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. And then you'll want to do the same in the next stitch. So if you're looking from the top, you'll see the next V here. So just insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. And then just continue that on across.